back to the channel. So here we are discussing the problem maximum strength on Codeforces. The problem states that Fedia is playing a new game called the Legend of the Link, which is one of the character's abilities combine two materials into one weapon. Each material has its own strength, which can be represented by a positive integer x. The strength of the resulting weapon is determined as the sum of absolute difference of digits in decimal representation of integers at each position. Formally, let first material have strength x. X is denoted as x1 to xn whole bar and y is represented as y1 to yn whole bar. Then the strength of the weapon is calculated as x1 minus y1 plus x2 minus y2 plus xn minus yn. Absolute numbers. So suppose I have capital X as 1, 2, 3 and Y as 4, 5, 6. Now what it is telling us, it's telling x1 minus y1 plus x2 minus y2 plus x3 minus y3. So this is the strength of the weapon which would be calculated. Next, what it is telling us is that Fedia has an unlimited supply of material with all possible strengths from L to R inclusive. We need to find the maximum possible strength of the weapon which can be obtained. And an integer C1 to Ck is defined as integer obtained by sequentially writing the digits as I have shown before while writing x and y, that is 10 to the power k minus 1 into C1 plus 10 to the power k minus 2 into C2 till Ck. Now let's come to the input and the output cases. So for the first one we have 53 and 57, which gives us output as 4, which is directly 5 minus 5 plus 3 minus 7, which gives us 4. For 179 and 239, the strength is achieved by materials with strength 190 and 209, hence the maximum is 19. And for the next case it is 11. Like this the input and output goes. So now let's understand through the code how this would work. Now let's understand the Python solution for the same. So here we have, suppose we have the numbers 179 and 239. Now we compare the first two digits. First we have compared whether the length is equal or not by this condition. So it satisfies these conditions, so we don't need to add one zero or any number of zeros in this case to make the length equal. So our n becomes 3. Now I is initialized as 0. This condition is not true for the first case as 1 is not equal to 2. So we jump to the second case. So we need to print Ri minus Li plus 9 into n minus 1 minus I. So it would give us 1 plus 18, because this whole expression would give us 2 and 9 into 2 is 18. So we get the answer as 19 in this case. So overall what we are doing is we are checking if I is less than n. If this condition is true, then it means that there is a digit in R that is greater than the corresponding digit in L. Like in 179 and 239, we had a greater digit which is 2 than 1. So we simply take the difference between the digits and add the 9 multiplied by n minus I minus 1 to the solution. This is done to account for the maximum possible contribution from the remaining digits. But suppose if I is not less than n, then it means all digits in R and L are the same. So we simplify 0 in this case. So hope you guys understand the solution. Thanks for watching.